Detective 1 had to extract out the passenger door. Detective 1 ran around vehicles to avoid the crossfire.
Where's our crossfire? Where's our crossfire? Get back! Go!
Go get the victim!
Where?
I'm the passenger side!
How's our victim?
Where's our victim at?
Get with them, right!
Watch our 360!
Hey, cover!
Where is the
Got
victim?
you covered.
Somebody said they had it.
Somebody said they have it.
Watch that gun's
I
pointing
got
right
you,
at
I
us.
got you.
Hey, right here. I don't know about this.
All right, back off. Watch it.
Detectives observe the suspect is wearing a ballistic vest and still has a firearm pointed towards detective.
Moves. He's getting it again. You got a vest on. Don't move!
Copy, he's moving. Stand by.
Calderon is still seen moving.
Stand by.
Yep. Should I climb in
Stand
here?
by, still shoot.
Should I climb in here?
No, let me check him.
Detective 1 fired additional rounds as Calderon still had a weapon pointed in detective's direction. Detective 2 exited his vehicle and also immediately was shot at multiple times.
Where's our crossfire? Where's our crossfire?
Watch out, watch out!
Get back!
Get the victim!
Where?
I'm the passenger side!
How's our victim?
Get him! Where's our victim at?
Other detectives diverted and went to the business behind to contain a second suspect, Edge.
Cover!
At this time, there was still confusion on where the victim was during the incident.
I got you, I got you.
All right, back
Okay.
off.
Detectives give a command to the suspect, "Don't move," who still has a firearm pointed in detective's direction.
He fucking moves. He's getting it again. You got a vest on. Don't move!
Copy, he's moving. Stand by.
Get that. Get that gun if you can.
Detective 3 simultaneously arrived with Detective 1, positioning his vehicle behind the suspects. Detective 3 exits his vehicle and is immediately met by gunfire from the suspect.
Hey, suspect down.
Hey, hands up!
Detective 4 sees victim run away from the vehicle and hide behind a parked car.
I got victim! I got victim! I got victim!
Detective 4 runs over to the kidnapped hostage.
I got the victim! I got the victim! I got the victim!
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you, man.